This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use yesterday's data today. The only truly effective way to leverage historical information for current insights is through continuous, automated data integration. This means transforming data from its raw state into actionable intelligence as quickly as possible, ensuring that what was yesterday's is immediately available for today's decisions. We'll explore the essential steps to achieve this seamless flow, making your data a powerful, up-to-the-minute asset for your organization. The cornerstone of this approach is the automated data pipeline. Imagine a system that automatically extracts data from its source, transforms it into a usable format, and loads it into your analytical platforms. This process should run continuously, perhaps every 15 minutes or even hourly, ensuring data freshness. By minimizing manual intervention, you drastically reduce errors and accelerate the availability of critical information, making your historical data a living, breathing resource for immediate use. To support these pipelines, key technologies are indispensable. Centralized data warehouses or data lakes provide a single source of truth, while robust business intelligence tools visualize these insights in real-time dashboards. Crucially, maintaining high data quality through rigorous governance practices ensures the information is trustworthy. Without accurate and well-managed data, even the fastest pipeline won't deliver reliable results, undermining your decision-making capabilities. The impact of effectively using yesterday's data today is profound. You gain the ability to make proactive, informed decisions, responding to market shifts with agility. Operational efficiency improves dramatically, freeing up valuable human resources from tedious data preparation. Ultimately, this continuous data flow provides a significant competitive advantage, allowing your organization to stay one step ahead by always having the most current, relevant insights at its fingertips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.